Good morning everyone. So welcome back to your biology practical class, and today I will discuss a new practical, that is, you can see it is written on the board, prepare a temporary mount of onion root tip to study mitosis. Okay, so I am repeating that what is the heading of the practical: prepare a temporary mount of onion root tip to study mitosis. So as I can remember that already you have read about the mitosis and what are the different stages can be mitosis can be found in case of mitosis. Already you know that part, right? So today I will discuss this part only. As you know that these stages can be seen only with the help of the microscope, so it is not possible to show you the slides. So what I will do, I will take the pictures from the microscope and I will send it to you. Okay, so before that, just today I will discuss it how you have to perform this practical. Okay, and I will discuss about the different stages of mitosis. So what is the heading of the practical? I am repeating: prepare a temporary mount of onion root tip to study the mitosis. So for this practical, so as you know that a new cell can divide from a existing cell, from a pre-existing cell. Why? Because we can maintain the continuity of a life by cell division. So cell division is required. Ma'am, can we use? Yes, but you can use it for the heading part. But color should be within those limited from don't use green or red color. Okay, don't use any red type or orange, red, green, this type of color don't use. Okay, and try to write it down with the pen, and you can use those for the heading purpose or the caption purpose. Clear, Ritusri? Okay, okay. So why we need to study this practical? Because as we know that cell can divide from a pre-existing cell, because if cell can't divide, then the gel pen, yes, you can use. How many drawings will we have to? It depends that not only drawing, you can print it out and you can paste it also. Some this type of images should be preferred. Okay, you have to draw some and you have to provide the actual images some by printing out. No, Ritasri, not one. Try to provide minimum 5 to 10. Okay, clear? Okay, very good. So let me come back to the practical part, that is the study of the mitosis in onion root tip. So as we know that cell division is very important factor, and cell can divide by two types, that is mitosis and meiosis. So mitosis is can be seen in the body cells. So in our body there are some somatic cells or autosome, and there are some sex chromosome. Out of the 46 chromosomes, we are having 22 pairs, that means 44 body chromosome or somatic and or autosomes, and one pair of sex chromosomes. So in those 22 pairs, this type of mitosis can be seen. Why? For the growth, for as whenever we are growing, okay, that means our cells are dividing, right? So and this type of division was this particularly mitosis type of division. It helps in the growth, development, tissue if any damage was there, then it will, by the help of the mitosis, we can heal it. Okay, so this is the different uses of mitosis. So there are as I have mentioned that in the germ cells or reproductive cells, meiosis can be found, that means when gametes can be formed, but whenever it is normal growth, development or tissue repair is required, we can find the mitosis type of cell division. Okay, so in this type of cell division we will find two two events, that is first one is karyokinesis and the second one is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means, karyo means nucleus, so division of the nucleus. First nucleus will be divided from 1 to 2 and after that division of the cytoplasm will take place, and the division of the nucleus is termed as karyokinesis and the division of the cytoplasm to form two daughter cells is called as cytokinesis. Okay, and the karyokinesis in case of mitosis is 4 types. You can remember the cell cycle. So whenever the cells are not entering into the division, that time the genetic material is in chromatin form, and whenever the cells will enter the cell cycle, they are become condensed and forming this type of structure, thread like structure, not thread like, this type of structures. Okay, these are called as chromosomes and two arms of chromosomes are called as chromatid. Okay, so with this you can differentiate between chromatin, chromosome and chromatid. Okay, so this is the very important part. I am repeating that. So whenever cells are in interphase stage, okay, you can remember the cell cycle, it is having an long interphase stage, and in the interphase stage cells are non-dividing, and this time chromosomes are quite thread like, the genetic material is quite thread like. This thread like structure is called as chromatin material, and when the cells will undergo the division, then it will make this type of condensed structure which is called as chromosome, and these two arms of a chromosome are considered as chromatid. So let me draw it, just a minute. So now if I draw it like that, then it is a chromatin, and if I draw it like that, this one is a chromosome, and two arms of a chromosomes are called as chromatid. So this one is a chromatin, right? So now we can differentiate between chromatin, chromosome and chromatid. So in the karyokinesis we will find 4 stages. What are they? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. We have to just understand the different characteristics of those 4 stages. Okay, so why we are using this onion root tip? Because as you know that in the plants some meristematic tissues are 2 types, meristematic tissue and permanent tissues, right? So in the onion root tip we will find the meristematic cells, okay, and which provide the most suitable material to study the mitosis. Okay, so from this portion, at the tip portion we can find the meristematic tissue or cells. So only on the onion root tip we can find it. That is why we are using it to study the mitosis, in case of is to study the mitosis. Okay, so what we have to write it first, that objectives or aim. So what is the aim? To prepare a temporary mount of onion root tip to study mitosis. This is our aim for this practical. Next, what we have to write? The requirements. So what are the different requirements for this practical? That is, first we have to take onion bulb, right? Roots will be there at the tip. So first we have to take a onion bulb, a conical flask, a tube, petri, scissors, forceps, needles, methyl alcohol, acetic acid, hydrochloric acid, acetocarmine, distilled water, spirit lamp, microscope, slides, cover slips and blotting paper. These are the requirements for this practical. Okay. So what is the procedure? What is the procedure for this practical? That we have to take a medium sized this type of onion bulb and trim off the old roots. Okay, with the help of a sharp blade we have to trim off the old roots. Then what we have to do? We have to place the onion on a conical flask full of water. We have to place that onion on a conical flask which is full of water. Okay, and with this bed touching the water, and we have to keep it for 1 week for growing the roots. At the day of your practical examination, so as it will take 1 week of time, so I will provide you the grown roots. Okay, I will provide you the roots. Then what you have to do, then you have to cut the tip of the roots, is 5 millimeter. You have to cut the tip of the roots and you have to put them into a vial, and you have to keep it in a mixture of 1:3 acetic acid and methanol. That is the mixture. Okay, so you have to keep it in a vial containing mixture of 1:3. 1 portion is acetic acid and 3 portion methanol. Okay, and you have to keep it for 1 hour. And why this process? We are doing a fixation. This process is called as fixation. So I am repeating what you have to do. First you have to take the root, cut the root tips. In this portion we will get this type of roots, and we have to take a vial and we have to make this type of mixture, and we have to keep it for 1 hour. Time is 1 hour, and why? For the fixation. Clear? And it will be better if root tips would be taken in the morning between 7 am to 8 am during the summer, and between 9:30 to 11:30 am during the winter. Okay, so after that what we have to do, you have to remove 2 to 3 tips and hydrolyze them in 1N hydrochloric acid for 15 minutes. So that is the next step. Now third step is, after from this solution you have to take the root tips and you have to wash them thoroughly in the water. Okay, you have to take this on the, you can take this on the watch glass, and you have to wash the root tips thoroughly in the water. Now you have to place 1 drop of acidocarmine on the slide. Okay, then if you are doing it on the slide directly, then you have to keeping it 1 drop of acidocarmine on the slide, and you have to put the hydrolyzed root tip in a drop and place it on the, and you have to, so first you have to take 1 drop of acidocarmine, then you have to put the root tip on the slide, and then you have to take a cover sleeve and you have to press it. Okay, then you have to press it. So what you have to do, the next step is you have to gently squash the root by tapping the cover sleeve with the blunt end of a pencil or needle until the cells separate and spread out into a very thin layer. As you can see that this root tip is quite thick, so you have to make a thin one. So how you have to do, let me show you just a minute. So as you are taking this one, as you can see that I have taken a slide, so you have to keep 1 drop of acidocarmine. Okay, let me show you. Okay, I'll show you later on. Okay, so you have to put some 1 drop of acidocarmine, then the root tip. After that you have to press the cover sleeve, and you have to do it like this, slightly pressing, squashing. Okay, like this. So that, why we have to do it? Because so that we can make a very thin layer. If we can't make a very thin layer, we will not be able to see all the stages very clearly. So that is why we have to squash it very carefully, so that we can make a very thin layer for the observation of the different stages of mitosis. Okay, now and you have to make sure that there will be no air bubbles in the cover slip. Okay, no air bubbles will be in the cover slip. Now you can gently warm the slide over a flame for a few seconds, and then you have to observe the slide under low power of microscope and then high power of microscope. Okay, and then you will be able to find out the different stages of mitosis. Now, so that is the procedure. Next step of this practical is the observation. So first, under the low power of the microscope, as acetocarmine will show a pinkish type of appearance. So the pink nucleus will be seen under the low power of microscope, and then under the high power of microscope these stages can be found. So first stage can be found, that is interphase, that is the non-dividing phase of the cell, and it can be found between the two successive division, and chromatin fibers will appear in the form of the nucleus, and nuclear envelope and nucleolus will be distinct. And some stages, I have drawn some stages. So for this one I want to show you the prophase. So what happens in the prophase stage? At the beginning of the prophase stage, prophase is the first stage after the mitosis. That means from this stage cell will enter into the dividing state. So in the prophase stage, chromatin material will start to shorten. Okay, it was like that, but in the prophase stage chromatin shortens. Okay, and it will start to condense to form this type of structure. It will start to condense to form this type of chromosome structure, and as you can see that each chromosome will have two arms that are called as chromatids, and they are joining of these chromatids are called as centromere, right? And what will happen that at the beginning of the prophase it will start doing this, and at the end of the prophase what will happen? Disappearance of the nuclear membrane, like this. Look, in those stages the nuclear membrane is not there. So at the end of the prophase, which can be, so we can call it early prophase, and this one we can call it late prophase. Disappearance of the nucleolus and the nuclear membrane will be there. Okay, so in these particular stages what we have to do, that what we will see, that nuclear membrane and the nucleolus start disintegration and disappear. At the end of the prophase, the nucleolus and the nuclear membrane will disappear. Okay, so these two are the main points for the prophase stage. Clear? Now come to the next step, that is the metaphase. So that was the prophase. Next step is the metaphase. What will happen? That chromosome will come at the equator. You can see this can be considered as metaphase plate. Okay, chromosomes are all in the equator plane, and that is why it is called as metaphase is called. Sorry. So you can see that all the chromosomes at a plane, which is called as at the middle, it is called as metaphase plate. Okay, so a bipolar spindle, and you can see that these are the spindles which can be formed between the two poles. So a bipolar spindle can develop in the cell, and chromosomes now become a thick, and two chromatids of, now you can see it very clearly that two chromatids of each chromosome, they are very thick and very clearly they can be seen. And nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear at this nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappeared at the prophase stage. That is why we can't see those structure in the metaphase stage, and chromosomes are arranged in the equator with the help of the spindle, and that each so these are the main characteristics of metaphase, that chromosomes will come at the equator, they will be attached to the bipolar spindle fiber and they will form a structure which is called as metaphase plate. Okay, so these are the main points of metaphase. Next step of mitosis is anaphase. So in the anaphase stage you can see the chromosomes are moving apart. They are going towards the pole, two poles. Okay, so in the anaphase phase, and you have to remember one term. So these two chromatids are considered as sister chromatids. Whenever we are drawing this type of homologous chromosome, so if we consider these two arms and these two arms of a particular chromosome, these are called as sister chromatids. But if we consider this arm with this arm, these two we will consider is non-sister chromatids. Okay, so in this case what we can see that the separation of the sister chromatids are there. Sister chromatids are moving towards the two pole. So two sister chromatids of each chromosome separate from the centromere and they are separating from this centromere and moving towards the two poles, and at this time they can create different shape. They can make a V shape, J shape, I shape, L shape, and according to this chromosomes are having different names like metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. Okay, so in this stage these type of shapes can be found, and these can be found depending upon the position of the centromere. It can be like this, then we can call it V shaped, J shaped. Okay, so these are the I shape. This one is metacentric, submetacentric, telocentric, and this one is acrocentric. Okay, and the last stage of this mitosis is telophase stage, and in this particular stage we cannot find the spindle apparatus. So spindle apparatus will disappear in this particular stage and the chromosomes uncoil to form chromatin fibers. So it will be in the previous form. So it will uncoil, chromosome will not be in such condensed form, it will uncoil to form a chromatin fiber and it will be into two poles. Okay, and nuclear membrane and nucleolus, again you can see I have drawn the nucleolus and nuclear membrane. So in the telophase stage nuclear membrane and nucleolus will reappear. They will reappear in the telophase stage and two daughter nuclei will be found at two poles. Okay, and at the end of the telophase stage what will happen? Cytokinesis will take place. That means the cytoplasm will divided into two, and as it is a plant cell, in the plants we can find cell wall. So this cytokinesis will be in the process of cell plate formation. Okay, because they need to form the cell wall part. So this type of cytokinesis is considered as cell plate formation. Already I have discussed in the class 11. So we can see that from our part, from our nucleus, we can get two, and these will divide into two and we will get two cells. So from this way we can get from a single cell two cells, and this process is considered as mitosis, and these are the main four stages of mitosis. You have to just remember the minimum 2 to 3 points, you have to write it down at the time of examination for a particular stage. If you can see two stage, you have to draw the diagram of this particular stage and you have to write down the characters. Minimum 2 to 3 main characters you have write. So I have discussed only the main characters of all these stages. Okay, so at the on the day of the on exam day, what you have to do? You have to perform this slide. You have to focus it on the microscope and you have to write it down and you have to draw, and in the observation part you have to do this one, that you have to draw the diagram which stages you have seen and you have to write down the characters. Okay, so what will be the precaution or this practical, that we have to take care of this whenever we are using this acid and hydrochloric acid, we have to take care of that time, and the tip should be fixed at a appropriate time. The slide should be warmed gently so that and everything can get damaged. You have to press the slide very carefully so that cover sleeve doesn't break. Okay, you have to take care of the microscope, you have to handle the microscope very carefully. Okay, so these are the some precautions. Already you have performed many practicals in the class 11, so as you know that this type of precautions you should take whenever you are performing the biology practicals, right? So this is all about the practical. So write it down from your book which I have provided. Aim, materials required, procedure, observation and precautions, and on the right side of the page diagrams. Okay, and just write it down. So in my next class I will discuss about the another practical. Okay, any doubt? If you are having any question you can ask me. Okay, Orpita has asked me. Oh, let me check. Ma'am, we will see the root here. Yes, yes, yes. We have to press it and we will see it with the cover sleeve. Under the cover sleeve we will keep it, but you can see it without it also. Okay, so I will tell you what you have to do on your exam day. Nothing to worry. Srijata ma'am, I have a project related question in the portal. I asked you about the picture. I couldn't understand. Please drawing. I will suggest you, Sujata, to use both. You can print out some or you can draw by your own hand. Or for this situation, if you can't make it happen, that means you can do go outside for printing, then if you draw by your hand it will also be okay, and you can draw it with your color pencils. Okay, you know the color pencils, you can draw it with your color pencils, so the diagram will look very nice. Clear? Okay, so thank you everyone.